Hi all, my name is AnmolJain. I am PhD student in Energy Science and Engineering department and I am contesting for General Secretary Academic Affairs PG for the upcoming elections, upcoming Institute Gymkhana elections. Currently I am an ACC, Academic Council Coordinator in PGAC, and I have also worked with Team Shunya as an Assistant Manager for sponsorship subsystem, and have also worked with Institute Technical Council as a PG convener. If elected, I shall work to improve the academic life of the PG students in IIT Bombay by focusing on their academic skills and skill development and career prospects. So during my tenure at PGAC, I came across various issues faced by the PG students at IIT Bombay. I believe they are here for to enhance their academic skills and knowledge through advanced courses and research. Through my manifesto, I aim to cultivate these ideas and facilitate sharing of knowledge through various events such as research conclave, and educate them about career paths through events and video series. I shall ensure the implementation of various policies such as efficient documentation of TA duties, reducing the PhD duration, and streamlining the conference funding for master students so that the academic life of PG students can be uplifted.
Industry, etc.
So majoritively of the mini projects would be student driven only. So this would be a type of thing which they are already doing as their part of MTech project or PhD thesis. So for the betterment of their own careers, we'll be implementing this. Okay.
So how do you plan to get these projects started, and in what fields will they be?
So this is totally dependent on their MTech projects and PhD thesis. This is totally research driven projects, and it will help in enhancing their own careers or career paths.
Added benefit.
Okay, so various journals and various papers and books also are not accessible through IIT Bombay library and website. So to enhance or implement more resources to the library or to the students, I'll be doing something related to national schemes so that IIT Bombay students can be facilitated more with the library resources.
Which exact schemes and what exact programs are you doing?
So I know one scheme, for example, National Digital Library Scheme, which is developed, started by MHRD, MOE, Ministry of Education, and developed by IIT Kharagpur.
Okay, and for the funding for this will be given by?
So I'll talk with the authorities in the meantime and discuss about this issue. Thanks.
And how do you plan on doing it?
So most of the departments do not do it, and they think the professors in the department in the PG level think that presume that the students already know the softwares. For example, they assume that MATLAB is one of the software which everybody knows, or Python or Java or anything which is related to the course projects they do in the curriculum. So for doing that, to streamline that process, we will be conducting those sessions.
How is this going to be different from what the current PGAC has already implementing with skill development workshops and all and such?
So skill development workshops are very different because they are driven through the career paths and not the curriculum path. So in curriculum, majoritively of the professors demand languages like MATLAB or C++. So this would be introductory and not a very vast kind of thing. So that is how this is different. Okay, hurdles are basically, there are various hurdles regarding various things. So in experimentation, there might be issues with the equipment and all. But the one major hurdle could be the interaction between the student and the faculties are very non-organic. So that's the one of that's kind of issues. And to reduce that, we have I have thought of few things. For example, professors get various awards, so we can put one parameter of PhD duration from that professor as one of the factor to get to the award for the professors. And there are other things also. Professors get funding after the completion of PhD of a student, so we can monetize that funding on the basis of the duration of the PhD.
Have you spoken to the relevant authorities about these implementations?
No, I will discuss about this with them later on. Okay, so referin is basically I can say it is for resilient India, because like various industries, various equipments are sourced from foreign. So various industries in India are already producing them and manufacturing them, but they are not very precise or can be utilized by the IIT Bombay students. So we will be conducting talks with the industries, or maybe workshops through the industries, such that the IIT Bombay students can be motivated enough to use the Indian industries equipments.
Help in this regard.
Okay, so for conference funding, doctoral students are the funding for doctoral students are more or less streamlined, because they get the forms through online, say, online websites. But for masters, they have to put an application to the department, and then it gets processed. But the thing is, the master students are not getting motivated from the IIT Bombay admin, because master students are here just for for a very short period of time, and this has to be they have to be motivated enough to so that they can get into the conferences. No, I haven't done anything about it yet. So I'll be doing it after this. There are various things, like in my department itself. There is one ball mill which has been used from which is sourced from Germany. Like for the maintenance only, it takes around lakhs of rupees once a year. So, but the complete setup can be sourced from Indian industry within that money. So that kind of thing I'll be focusing on. The database is not been generated till now. I'll be doing it in my tenure. If elected, I'll do my best to build the PG community and help in resolving the academic issues faced by them. Please vote for me. The Institute Gymkhana elections will be commencing on 12th of March. Thank you so much.